Today, I want to talk a little bit about weather versus climate. So, we've had a very chilly end of summer here and fall in Alberta, and I've heard lots of comments on social media such as, where is this global warming we're supposed to be having? When I hear comments like that, it's obvious that some people do not understand the difference between weather and climate. Weather and climate are related, but they are two very different things. To help explain, let's use something completely different. Now, this is the beautiful Chikaku nature area, and it has lots of great trails. So if you love to hike or run, you have to come out here. One of the most popular long routes out here is about 7 kilometers long. Now, I'm old and I'm slow, so my best time running that route is about 40 minutes. Could I run that route even faster? Well, maybe. One major thing we need to consider when measuring a person's running time is their fitness level. What is the effect of fitness level on running time? So let's assume I work out every day at the gym really hard, and over time, very slowly, I increase my fitness level. Now, the question is, as my fitness level increases, does that mean my running time for running this 7 kilometer loop at Chikaku is going to get shorter every time I run it? In other words, am I guaranteed that I'm going to get faster? Well, a lot of you out there know and are rightfully answering no. Now, it's true that as I increase my fitness level, it's more likely I'm going to shave seconds off my running time. I probably will get a little faster. But that doesn't mean every time I come out here and run the loop, I will be faster. There are too many day-to-day factors that affect running time. Suppose I'm not feeling well on a particular day. Suppose the trail is muddy. Suppose that I fall on my face during a run. Trust me, it happens more often than you think. What about the wind, or the temperature, or if I wear new shoes, or what I ate that day, or my hydration level, or my mood on the running day? My point is, as I increase my fitness level, it is likely to result in a trend towards shorter running times. Fitness level affects running time. However, each time I go for a run, anything could happen depending on hundreds of different temporary factors, especially when you're as clumsy as I am. Now, think about this in terms of climate and weather. Like fitness level, climate is a long-term trend. Climate refers to long-term trends in temperature and precipitation. There's no doubt the Earth's climate is warming. The overall temperature of the Earth is increasing. But does that mean that every day, season, or even year is going to be warmer than the next? No, of course not. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular short period of time. You can have hot weather, cold weather, dry weather, wet weather, violent weather, extreme weather. But individual weather events cannot be directly tied or attributed to climate trends. We measure climate trends over tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, even millions of years. Speaking of millions, here is the million-dollar question. Does climate affect weather? Sure it does. Scientists know that warming climate is increasing the overall temperature of the Earth and adding more energy and more moisture to the atmosphere. This means there can and will be effects on weather events due to climate change. But does an abnormally cold season mean there is no climate change? Of course not. Weather can be completely weird, wacky, and wonderful with no particular regard for long-term climate trends. Well, I hope that explains the difference between climate and weather. Now, I have to get back to working on that fitness level.